What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to access the academies on the IX Global web version. Okay, now you can also access these on the app on your mobile device. However, I know a lot of people prefer to watch videos on their laptop or their computer, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to use this version. And if you guys want to learn how to watch the videos on the app, go ahead and check out the how to navigate the IX Global app video that we have here, and you guys can learn how to do it there. Okay, but let's go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, what you guys want to do is you want to go to share.ixglobal.us, right? Share.ixglobal.us. This is going to be the website that looks exactly like the app, right? So what we're going to do first, right, when you see this page is you want to go ahead and click these three little lines up here, and you want to click login. You got to log into your account so the website knows who you are and that you have access to these academies, right? So once you click login, it'll take you to this page. Go ahead and click email login. I find that to be the easiest. Okay, go ahead and type in your email and your password, the same credentials that you use for the app, and go ahead and click login. Okay, so now it's going to bring you back to this page. And if you click the three little lines up here, you should see that it says log out profile events, which it didn't show before. It just showed login, right? So now you're logged in. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to either click trainings here or trainings down here. Either way, it doesn't matter. They both take you to the same place. So I'm going to go to click this trainings. It's going to bring up this page with three tabs: IX duplication, IX human, IX financial. Okay, IX duplication is all about the business side. Okay, it's got academies showing you, what network marketing is, etc. Right, things to help you with that side of the business. Okay, then you also have IX human, which essentially is going to be your mindset. Right, and this is going to be super important, right, because personal development is huge. Right, so we highly recommend that you go through these as well once you get a chance. Okay, and then you also have your IX financial. Okay, IX Financial is going to be the Forex, the e-commerce, right? All the stuff that's going to help you make money, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to, navigate the Empire Trading, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click the first one here, Empire Trading University. Okay, it's going to bring up the modules. Okay, so we got class schedule, recorded live sessions, and then all of the academy. Yeah, it takes a second to load, but all the academy is going to be right here for you guys. Okay, so simply make sure you guys have access. You have unlocked your academy before, and then you'll have access to these. Let's go ahead and click the first one, Intro to Institutional Trading. And here's where I'll be able to complete the first lesson by watching the video. The quiz will be up here shortly. You'll be able to like and comment and share, right? So, this is where you'll be able to view your first lesson, right? And then once you're done, you simply just go back and you wait for it to load again, and you can move on to the next lesson by clicking the second one, right? So other than that, guys, so that's how you navigate to the academies, and this was an example of how to get to the Empire Trading University. I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped. Thank you, guys.